y'all, for those who don't know, I just cut my hair, and TWAs are kind of brand new to me, so I wanted to try some new styles. And I just washed my hair, and so this is how my hair looks before I do anything to it. I mean, y'all see I practice a little bit in the corner, but this is me trying to do finger coils. So first of all, I'm using Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. I know it looks like straight up honey, but it has other things in it. And so I'm just going to take that and like spread it throughout my hair to condition. When you put it in your hand and you rub it together, it really warms up. So I think that's why it's so conditioning, because it penetrates. Now I took my dimming brush and I'm basically trying to, like, you know, just spread it throughout. Here I'm making my part as to where I want my style to, you know, I want a side part. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm basically going to do this by sections. So I'm carving that out right here. I also find having some of these long banana clips are extremely helpful even when you have short hair. But next I'm going to be using the Extreme Wet Line Gel, and I'm going to take small sections of hair and just basically wrap it around my finger, and that's pretty much it. I wanted to do small little finger coils this time around because I want to see, you know, how that looks on my hair. You do want to make sure you add plenty of gel because your hair will dry out as you're doing this style. And so just as I went along, I just added more gel, and you know, I would constantly detangle with my dimming brush because I feel like that made the curls that much more defined. I really like that the gel is moisturizing and it doesn't leave a white cast, and it's not crunchy once the hair dries, which is something I was always worried about when I had longer hair. But now that my hair is shorter, I see that I will probably be using gel a lot more with a lot of these styles, which I'm not mad at because I was against using a dimming brush for the longest, but I see now that my hair is shorter, it's much more useful. So that's one section of my hair. Once I'm done, I thought it was so cute, y'all. This was literally my first time doing a finger coil out on a TWA. I had done it before when my hair was longer, but styling a TWA is a little bit different than styling longer hair. And so I find myself having to look up YouTube videos, and I've been a natural ever since like 2016, but I found myself having to learn new things because, you know, this is a different ball game. You know what I'm saying? I gotta learn from the masters of the TWA. So send me all your tips and tricks down below if you have any, y'all, because I'm gonna be short for a while. So next here, I'm just giving myself a little baby hair. You know, I already knew how to do that. You know, baby hair, little curl right here. You know what I'm saying? That's my specialty. And once I did that, I was done, y'all, and I was so happy with the outcome. If I looked confused or nervous while I was recording this video, I mean, I was barely showing y'all my hair while I was trying to figure it out because literally this is my first time doing something like this. And like I said, I'm out of my element. Leave me your tips and tricks down below. I would love to hear it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.